Hello, Easy Learning, Easy Earning fans. I'm Dr. Petra Kern, the editor-in-chief of the online publication Imagine. Over the past 10 years, we have featured about 620 authors from over 40 countries in multimedia articles, podcasts, photo stories, teaching episodes, and conference presentations. In this music therapy online tutorial, I will highlight 4 ongoing trend topics that most likely will continue to shape early childhood music therapy in this decade. So, if you are a music therapy student interested in working with young children and their families, a professional music therapist refreshing your knowledge and reflecting on your work, or a colleague from a related field exploring other perspectives, this tutorial is for you. You will learn about inclusion practice, family practices, professional advocacy, and technology and interactive media use. We will explore research-based facts, key components and concepts, case examples, and apply what you have learned to your practice. In this tutorial, you will find videos, graphics and checklists, readings and handouts, and a wealth of literature and extended resources. This tutorial will definitely spark some thoughts, ideas, and actions in you. Come join me in keeping your clinical practice current and aligned with evidence-based practice. It will have a direct impact on your clients' goal achievements.